Hello, everyone. I'm James. Welcome back to Easy English for You. Today, I have my wonderful co-host, Alice, with me.
Hi, everyone. Happy to be here again.
Before we start, I want to thank our new member, Lao Lai 1949, for joining our membership. Your support means the world to us. Alice, last time we talked about why being over 40 is actually great for learning English. How did the micro-learning method work for you?
Oh, James, it was really helpful. I tried the commute method. I listen to English podcasts on the train now. But I have one big problem.
What's that?
I forget the words so fast. Yesterday, I learned 10 new words. Today, I can only remember 2. Is my brain getting old?
Haha, no, Alice, your brain is not old. Actually, this is a very common problem, and today we're going to solve it together. The real question is this: why can't adults remember vocabulary like children do?
Yes, that's exactly my question. When I was a kid, I remembered words easily. Now it feels impossible.
Okay, let me explain something fascinating. Your child brain and your adult brain work differently. Children's brains are like wet cement. Everything sticks easily. Adult brains are like dry cement. Things don't stick automatically. But here's the good news. Adult brains have something much better. We have context and connection power.
Context and connection power? What does that mean?
Great question. Let me give you an example. When a child learns the word butterfly, they just memorize it. But when you learn butterfly, your brain can connect it to many things. Maybe you saw a butterfly last summer. Maybe you like the colors. Maybe you're afraid of insects. All these connections make the memory stronger.
Oh, I see. So my brain wants stories, not just words.
Exactly right. Your brain is like a spider web. New words need to stick to the web. If a word has no connection, it falls through.
That makes sense. But James, how do I create these connections? Sometimes I don't have any connection to a new word.
This is where the magic happens. You don't find connections, you create them. Let me teach you 3 powerful techniques. First, the emotion anchor method. Second, the personal story technique. Third, the physical action link.
Wow, 3 methods. Can you explain more slowly? I want to understand each one clearly.
Of course. Let's start with emotion anchor. Here's the secret. Your brain remembers feelings better than facts. So when you learn a new word, add emotion to it. For example, the word exhausted. Don't just repeat exhausted, exhausted, exhausted. Instead, remember a time you felt exhausted. Maybe after working 12 hours. Maybe after running. Feel that tiredness in your body right now.
Oh, I'm feeling it. Last week, I was so exhausted after shopping all day.
Perfect. Now you'll never forget exhausted because it's connected to your real feeling. Let's try another word. How about grateful?
Grateful means thankful, right?
Yes. Now make it emotional.
Okay. I feel grateful when my mom cooks my favorite food. It makes me very happy.
Excellent. You just created a memory that will last. Now, let's talk about the personal story technique. This one is really fun. You create a mini story with the new word. The story can be funny, crazy, or even silly. The stranger the story, the better you remember.
Can you give me an example?
Sure. Let's use the word ambitious. Ambitious means you want to achieve big things. Now, make a crazy story. Imagine an ambitious cat. This cat wants to become president. The cat wears a suit and gives speeches. Funny, right?
That's so silly, but I think I'll remember ambitious forever now.
That's the point. Your brain loves unusual things. Normal things are boring and forgettable. Weird things stick in your memory.
Okay, let me try. I want to remember the word hesitate. Hesitate means to wait because you're not sure?
Perfect definition.
So my story is, there is a man who want to jump into the pool. He hesitate because the water is too cold.
Good try, Alice. But let me correct your grammar. You said, there is a man who want to jump. We need to say, there is a man who wants to jump. Because man is singular, we add s to want. Also, he hesitate should be he hesitates.
Oh, wants and hesitates. Thank you, James.
You're welcome. Your story is great, by the way. Now, the third technique is physical action link. This one uses your body. When you learn a verb, do the action. For example, stretch. Stand up and stretch your arms right now.
Like this?
Yes, now you're feeling the word in your muscles. Your body remembers too, not just your brain. Here's another one. Whisper. Try saying something very quietly.
Hello, James.
Perfect. That's whispering. Now your voice remembers this word. Let's talk about why these methods work. Scientists studied the brain for many years. They found something important. We have different types of memory. Visual memory for things we see. Emotional memory for things we feel. Physical memory for things we do. When you use all three types together, memory becomes super strong.
So I should use emotions, stories, and actions?
Exactly. The more connections you make, the better. Let me give you one more powerful tip. This one changed my life. It's called the review rhythm. You need to review new words at specific times. Review after 1 hour, then after 1 day, then after 1 week. This fights against forgetting.
Why these specific times?
Because your brain naturally forgets things. There's a famous forgetting curve. After 1 hour, you forget 50%. After 1 day, you forget 70%. But if you review at the right time, you reset the curve.
That's so interesting. So I should set reminders on my phone?
Yes, that's a great idea. Technology can help us remember. Now, here's something important about adult learners. Many people think young people learn faster, but research shows adults have special advantages. Adults understand patterns better. Adults can use logic. Adults have discipline. A child might learn 100 words randomly, but an adult can learn 50 words strategically, and those 50 words are more useful.
James, I have a question. How many words should I learn each day?
Excellent question. Most people try to learn too many. They learn 20 words and forget 18. I recommend just 5 words per day. 5 words with deep connections. 5 words with emotion and stories. In 1 month, that's 150 words. In 1 year, that's almost 2,000 words.
Wow, 2,000 words sounds like a lot.
It is. And here's the beautiful part. With 2,000 words, you can have most conversations. You don't need 10,000 words. You need the right 2,000 words.
This makes me feel so much better. I thought I needed to know everything.
Nobody knows everything, Alice. Even native speakers don't know all words. Focus on useful words first. Words for your job. Words for your hobbies.
That makes sense. Let me practice now. I'll use the emotion anchor method. The word is confident. I feel confident when I speak Japanese, but I don't feel confident when I speak English. Not yet.
Haha, I love your honesty. And you will feel confident soon because you're learning the right way now. Okay, everyone, I want to hear from you. What's the hardest word you're trying to remember? Write it in the comments below. Share your story about this word. Let's help each other learn.
Yes, I want to read your stories.
Now, before we finish, let me tell you something exciting. Next week's topic is very special. We'll talk about 7 future jobs that are better than being a doctor and why English is the key to these jobs.
Oh, I'm so curious. What kind of jobs?
You'll have to wait and see, but I promise it will surprise you. If you have questions about future careers, write them in the comments. We'll try to answer them in the next video.
Okay, James, let me summarize today. We learned that adults forget words because we need connections. We learned 3 methods: emotion anchor, personal story, and physical action. We should learn only 5 words per day, but learn them deeply. And we should review at the right times.
Perfect summary, Alice. I would add one more thing. Be patient with yourself. Learning is a journey, not a race. Remember, our membership has a PDF with all today's methods. Alice, you use the PDFs, right?
Oh, yes, the PDFs help me so much. I review them every week.
If you want the PDF and other helpful materials, join our membership. Also, please subscribe and hit the like button. It helps us create more content for you. Thank you all for watching today. Remember, you're never too old to learn. You're just learning in a smarter way now.
See you next time, everyone.
Thanks for watching, and as always, keep going and keep growing.